कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे।
Hello friends, so I welcome you all to this new episode of Market क्या लगता है। April month is ending today and today interestingly we are getting weekly close as well as monthly close. So this is the last episode for this specific month, and actually we are talking about the upcoming month of May. What is the study about technical analysis is something that we are going to see. Let us begin with previous week's summary. And last week we had seen that Nifty range was around 14,500 and 14,300, and we were having a bearish view in the market. Similarly for Bank Nifty as well, the range was 32,000 and 31,000, and the bearish view did not sustain because we could see a random and a big gap up on Monday, and from there it was consistently rallying in an upwardly manner. Now we could catch or time all these updates, and these updates were updated on a regular basis on a Telegram channel as well, and over the growth model groups as well. So you can refer to those channels for the daily updates and how we have gone through the each day of this week. So even if the view was largely incorrect, but still none of the trades were hampered during this process, right? So everything is shared live as and when it happened throughout the week, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday kind of. And now let's come back and check what is my today's message. So when we are talking about morning message, so today I have couple of things to show you. Today morning's message is saying bullish rallies in correction are fierce. Don't just go by what I am saying, but go back, study. So whenever you see a bearish trend or a correction that is happening, check the contra trades or rallies, bullish rallies that are coming between the bearish trends, and you will observe that all the rallies are kind of fierce. Yesterday we could see selling from the top level of Nifty around 15,044, and yesterday's range for Nifty was between 15,000 and 14,800. We got a top around 15,400, and Nifty managed to close below 14,900 yesterday, well within our range. So expiry prediction was also there that Nifty should close below 14,900, and because there were certain options like 14,900 call options being sold, so they were profitable at the end of the day. This phase is crucial, as many a time trader or investors, they just enter into a market or buy thinking about a positional trade or investment, and they just fall for a bull trap, right? So they just get entrapped into a bull trap, and these are the things that I want all of you to avoid, as everybody is aware right now that we are in the middle of a bearish trend or a correction that is happening right now in Nifty. And if you have not seen so far, do refer to my video about Nifty crash or correction, which was released in about a week back or so. More interestingly, the range for Nifty is 14,900 and 14,500. For Bank Nifty, the range is 34,000 and 33,000. We are trading with a bearish bias, right? So till the time Nifty reaches to 14,500. Now 14,500 has become a new comfort zone for Nifty. So whatever Nifty does, and then after it reaches to that 14,500 zone. So all these things, and then we were having this bearish view throughout the day. So as soon as the market started, so these are just smaller positions like Pramod making a profit of 17,000 rupees, or Nikhil. Now see Nikhil's message again unique. My first active option trade. So Nikhil is saying my first active option trade made profit. Earlier I was doing paper trading for options, and now he's just completed his module 3. Recently he has completed module 3, and now he's all ready to go ahead. So Nikhil started with one lot, and he's doing good. I personally feel that these smaller positions are amazing. This is Dr. Vidya. So again, this is a good profit. So there are many trades such. We have initiated these trades based on our view that the market is going to be bearish, and yesterday towards closing we had initiated these trades. Chalo, to cut a long story short, come back to Nifty. Now this is a weekly chart of Nifty, and what we can see here is that we are in a middle of a correction, and all these spikes which you can see here is something that I'm referring to as a rallies during correction, and these rallies are going to be fierce. So if we go on to, let's say, hourly chart, you can realize, or you can see, that all these rallies, while this is happening, there are big gap ups, right? So there are good gap up happening, or the very aggressive kind of action that can be seen, and these actions actually are kind of trap, is something that I'm referring to. So whenever there is a bullish action that happens very rapidly and after a specific level, then you have to be cautious about those levels. Yesterday we could identify this while it was happening live, and from there we could sell, and even we could carry some of the positions, so it was profitable in today's session. So Nifty right now, as we can see, is around 14,600 mark, and currently, as far as I can see, the range for Nifty, oh, this looks like a maze. We need to reduce some of the lines, but okay. So I think we'll remove these lines. Okay, so this 862 is important level for Nifty, and right now, see, what I feel is the range remains between 14,800 and 14,500, right? Monday being Reliance Industries result, not hoping a very great action, but then still it's a result period, so don't want to be predictive about it. I'll still prefer to take some time and just get the hang of it. So a range of 14,800 and 14,500. Now see, we are not having very aggressive kind of targets for this week. This week I'm expecting 14,500 level, and once we cross that 14,500 level, then we may see this level of 14,300. Now 14,300 has given support at multiple times, so closing below 14,300 was almost impossible for Nifty in last 3 of the occasions, and here as well this 14,300 may provide a very crucial role, and if price manages to close below 14,300, that's going to be another story. So 14,300 right now will be one important support for me, as well as our target, right? Target for week 1. Right, so this is how I am keeping this, right? So this is important support and target for week 1, May 2021. So this is something that we have drawn a new thing here, and let's hope for good. So what is happening throughout the period will be something very interesting that we'll get to see. Now quickly let's come back to Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty, you can see that there was a huge gap up, and this gap up is causing such a bullish kind of action. So it was a huge gap up on Monday, but right now there is a selling that has happened in last couple of days, and because of that it's like an inverted hammer kind of a thing. So if we quickly go back to a smaller time frame, a trading time frame of hourly chart, we get to see so many things. So this is the actual top, and from there we are here right now, right? So we are very close on this Nifty hourly target of 32,816 right now, and for now the range of Nifty is a bit wide. So the range for Nifty this week is going to be 33,000 and 32,000. Right, so this is the range that I am referring to. I made a miss. Sure, I have made a So what should I have done? I should have actually pulled this using this. So then it remains like that. So this is the range that I'm looking at right now. And again, we may expect the bearish trend. If at all, if there is a bearish trend, then that trend might deliver us first target up till this 30,400 mark or 30,500 mark. So let's take one day at a time, and throughout this bearish range or bearish correction, manage your positions in such a way that you are not against the market with a bigger exposure, right? So the best thing or the key to manage your profit or loss or emotions or keep everything under check is to manage your position sizing, right? So this is a very simple and a good mantra to follow during the corrections. And once you are certain about the corrections are over, and then you can go back to your regular position sizing. Don't take aggressive bets. The current volatility, Monday we are expecting a lot of volatility, and now slowly gradually then we'll see the market is settling down. So I wish you all the best. Happy trading in the week ahead. Stay safe and be indoors. Thank you so much, guys.